Oh, another Volvo problem. I've been having problems with my sunroof in my XC90. Oh, P2. It opens just fine. It retracts just fine. No problem. But when you gotta close it, it does this. I can raise the vent. No problem. And when I go down, doesn't want to go down all the way. I can open it, no problem. So, let's see if we can fix this problem. First thing we have to do is take off this accordion part right here. Oh, I gotta figure out how to do that first. It'd help if I knew how to do that, but obviously I don't. Yeah, let's. Oop, don't want to mess that up. But I gotta take that. Remove that part from there first. Oh, yeah, there's the clips. There's a clip right there. There's a clip right here. Those 3 clips right there. And then once it's come off, you gotta take that. Those T25 Torx bolts out. 1 on each side. Okay, once you've loosened those up, the T25, you can see it moves freely. So then, go ahead and align it up so it's flush with your roof and tighten it back up on both sides. And how I got these out of here was just sticking my finger behind the accordion and just pulling straight out. And it goes under those clips right there. There's 3 of them right there, right there, right there. They're pretty straightforward.